Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Mailbox Manager function of PostalPoint. First, click Mailboxes. You'll see a list of your mailboxes. White boxes are occupied, gray boxes are vacant and unassigned, red boxes are past due, and orange boxes are due soon. If you don't see any mailboxes, it's time to add one. To create a new mailbox, click Menu and Create New Mailbox. Enter the box number and pick a size tier. You can set 1 for a small box or 2 for a large box, or set 10 for a virtual mailbox, but it's totally up to you what the size numbers mean for your store. You can optionally set a box barcode. Box barcodes can be scanned to instantly jump to and select a mailbox, and can also be scanned to send email notifications to your customers that they have mail. We'll cover those notifications later in the video. Note that if you ever need to change a mailbox's size, barcode, or even number, you can just click the box in the list and then click Menu and edit this mailbox. Now that you've created some mailboxes, it's time to rent them to customers. Click a vacant mailbox to select it, then click Open Box. Type the customer's information in the pop-up box. If you've added a mailbox rental agreement in the PostalPoint settings, and you have a touchscreen set up, you can have the customer sign the agreement electronically with a finger or stylus. The signed agreement can be printed for the customer to take with them. It is also stored electronically in the PostalPoint database and can be exported or printed at any time. After the customer's information is filled in and optionally an agreement signed, click Save and Add. If this customer will receive mail through USPS, fill out the PS Form 1583 by expanding the customer record and clicking Form 1583. For instructions on filling the form, read the original paper or PDF version, which is available online from USPS. As with the rental agreement, the customer can sign the form electronically. Click Collect Signature and have them sign the screen with a finger or stylus. Alternatively, enter text in the Signature of Applicant box and it will be displayed as the signature in a handwriting font when exporting to PDF. After the PS Form 1583 is filled out, click Save Changes and then Close. You can follow these instructions to update the form as needed, such as when the customer's ID expires. Now that the box is set up with the customer's data, it's time for them to pay. With the mailbox selected, click Add Time, then select an option to add it to the current sale transaction. If you don't see any rental options, you'll need to add one for this size of mailbox. Click System Menu and then Merchandise Admin, and add a row. Fill in an item name, a category name, a price, the mailbox size this price applies to, and either a number of days or months that this item adds to a mailbox's due date. Using months will automatically prorate the rental so it is always due the first of a month. When done adding items, click Save. Now that this one-time setup is complete, we'll return to the Mailbox Manager and select the price option we added. This adds it to the current sale on the checkout screen. After the transaction is finished as usual, PostalPoint will add the time to the mailbox. Now that you have mailboxes rented to your customers, it's time to deliver their mail. You can send email notifications to customers with mail in their box by clicking Menu and Mail Delivery Notifications. If you have barcodes on your mailboxes, scan them now. You can also type a mailbox number and press Enter. Either way, if your computer's sound is turned up, you'll hear a sound indicating if the box was added to the list. This allows scanning barcodes while delivering the mail without looking over at the computer screen. When done delivering the mail, click Send Notifications. Customers with email addresses on file will receive an email that they have mail in their box. Finally, let's handle package receiving. When a carrier drops off a load of packages for your mailboxes, click Package Check-in. Now select the mailbox the package is for, or scan its box barcode, scan the package's tracking barcode, and press Check-in Package. If the Print Shelf Label switch is turned on, a label will print with a box number and a barcode. Put the label on the side of the box so you can easily find it on the shelf. Repeat this process for each package you've received. For high-volume stores, employees can check in packages from multiple computers at the same time. If you have a package for a customer who doesn't have a mailbox, turn on the Hold at Location mode switch instead of selecting their box. You'll be prompted to enter the customer's information and select a fee option previously configured in the PostalPoint settings. Later, when a Hold It location shelf tag is scanned, PostalPoint will calculate any fees due and add the fees to the current sale. When done processing packages, click Finish Check-in. Click Finalize Check-ins to print "You have a package" claim tag slips on your shipping label printer to put inside each mailbox. Or click Finalize Without Printing to skip printing the claim tags. Either option will send email notifications to customers with packages. If you're using multiple computers to check in packages, only finalize on one computer. On the rest of them, click Continue without finalizing to exit check-in mode. You can also continue without finalizing if you're expecting to check in more packages later and don't want to print slips or send package email notifications yet. When the customer picks up their package, scan the shelf tag barcode to mark it as picked up. If you've turned on customer package signatures, the customer will be prompted to sign for the package, and their signature and date is stored in the PostalPoint database, along with the package's tracking number. You now know the basics of managing mailboxes and receiving mail and packages with PostalPoint. Thanks for watching.